ओके, सो मैं क्या करूँगा, आई विल गो टू Audacity लाइक व्हाट आई डिड यस्टरडे. ओके, Audacity, then quit the previous things. Audacity. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I am just recording one important message. कभी जब आप दूसरे शहर में जाते, तिरुपति, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद, ठीक है, दिल्ली, ऐसा बड़े बड़े शहरों में जब आप जाएगा, ठीक है, तब वहाँ आपको देखना है पहला साइंस म्यूजियम, एंड आल्सो यू हैव टू विजिट उधर का ग्रंथालय. ओके, एंड इन दैट ग्रंथालय you will see Hindi books, Telugu books, Malayalam books, all that. You have to just go and verify there. Okay, and whenever, one more very important thing, how to have integrity in the country. For example, I will tell you, when I go to Tamil Nadu, suppose in the railway station there will be bookstall, no, I will go and ask for some Hindi book there. हिंदी में कुछ बच्चों का कहानी पुस्तक पूछता हूँ मैं. Why you know? Why you know? If you start asking for such books, they will start bringing such good books there. Are you understand? And that too you are asking in Hindi, in Tamil Nadu. So they will think, okay, Hindi people are having respect for our language, or Hindi people are coming to our land, we should try to provide such books, they will think. Samjha? That is very important. That is one way I do. When I come here, no, I will ask for Telugu book, Malayalam book, Kannada book. You would have seen my bag yesterday. All different language books are there with me. That is very important. That is a part of promoting integrity in our country. Please understand this. You might be spending some 10 rupees only for that book, but that is very important. Okay, all this I recorded. All this I recorded. So now I will save this. So I will say export audio. Okay. Udaharan. I will put the name as Udaharan. He has come at the very right time. Okay, very good. Okay, so timing अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा timing. हाँ, चक्का मार रहे हैं. Okay, 6 लगाया. ठीक है, very good. Okay then, Udaharan. Yeah, then I will say okay. Yeah. Okay then, good. Yeah. So now that file is there on the desktop. That file name I will copy. Okay. I will copy that file name. Now I will go to this GUI में जो फाइल हुआ आया था हमको, वहाँ गया मैं, and in that file I will just go to this push button, and in that push button function I am writing that I have to play that file, no? तो मैं लिखूंगा ऐसा, wave play कोड्स में वो फाइल का नाम .wave, and I will put, that's it. Okay, no need of semicolon, because I will tell you, semicolon you will be putting especially when the numbers are coming up. Here you are only playing them. Okay, इधर numbers कुछ भी copy नहीं हो रहे या numbers are not getting displayed there. Okay, so no problem of putting semicolon. Even if you put also no problem. नहीं लगाए तो भी बस है, no problem. Okay then, that's all. This is something I did. Okay, and और एक भी काम करेंगे. और एक काम क्या करेंगे? I want to know at what time this customer came there. Suppose अभी समझो आप रिजर्वेशन ले रहे हैं, तो आप जब उधर गया, टिकट आया, टिकट में वो जो टाइम पे आप टिकट लिया वो भी आएगा ना. तो आई ऑल्सो वांट कौन सा टाइम, क्या टाइम में ये सब हो रहा है. इफ यू वांट टू नो दैट आल्सो, आई विल गिव दैट कमांड हियर. सपोज आई विल आल्सो राइट वन मोर लाइन, क्लॉक, CLOCK. सो व्हेनेवर ये बटन दबाएगा, क्या आएगा, वो आवाज आएगा, और उसके साथ साथ कौन से टाइम में वो दबाया वो भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है, वी विल सी ऑल दिस नाउ. नाउ यू आर रेडी फॉर द शो. आई विल क्लिक दैट. ओके, रन बोल के बटन है, आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दैट. ओके, सो अभी हमको कैसा आएगा, ये आएगा. दैट कस्टमर जो आएगा उसको सिर्फ ये दिखाई देता, ऊपर वाला, ये सब नीचे वाला पूरा अंदर रहता कंप्यूटर के अंदर, हमको नहीं मालूम. कस्टमर को ये सब नहीं मालूम, आप जो लिखा उसको मालूम नहीं. उसको सिर्फ ये ऊपर जो है 2 डब्बा वो ही दिखता, ये वाइट कलर एंड दिस डब्बा दिखता बस. ओके, सो ही विल सी, इधर आया, हाँ मैं क्या दबाऊँ, मैं क्या टिक करूँ, ऐसा ऐसा देख के वो कुछ तो करेगा. अभी देखेंगे हम क्या होगा. अभी समझो टिक करा, सो व्हाट हैज टू हैपन, वी विल सी. wait 1 minute, just a minute, no problem, don't worry about it, just I will try to change it. Yeah, MMM checkbox, call it this, error, can't find specified file, desktop में नहीं है क्या, I will see the file name, is it not MMM, JPEG, okay, that's correct only, wait, JPEG, maybe मैं कुछ typing wrong किया, देखेंगे, no problem, just 1 minute it will get solved, okay. MMM dot imshow checkbox में है ये, just 1 or 2 minutes I will resolve this, don't worry, okay. Okay, I will just go back, I will just go back into the program. In the program, whatever I am typing, I just, this program was created, function GUI underscore Kanpur, okay, then GUI underscore Kanpur, then GUI underscore Kanpur, yeah, open function, that's also okay, handles, okay, function where out function push button callback, okay, wave play, okay, yeah, just let me put one of them, Control X, temporarily I am removing one of them, and temporarily let me also remove these things, Control R बोल के, okay, Control R, okay, Control Z, okay, just let me rerun this. Yeah, okay, it's working now, it's coming. I just checked with another thing, now I will make it. See, what I did, let me explain what the problem I encountered and what I did. See, I have put simply only clock, सिर्फ मैं clock लगाया, okay, सिर्फ clock लगाया, and I have run the program. When I have run the program, I got it. I will show with the images also, but you should also understand how I solved the problem. When I have pressed that clock, इधर time आ गया. Can you identify the time is seen here? Is it possible that you are able to understand that the time is visible here now? अभी जो time हो रहा है ये इधर दिख रहा है मेरे को. Can you understand whether the current time is seen here? Can you decode it? देखो अच्छी तरह देखो. I am able to see अभी time क्या हो रहा है, मेरे को इधर दिख रहा है, स्पष्ट दिख रहा है. आपके सामने है. Can you say how it is? Yeah. So yeah, good. This is 11 o'clock. 90 minutes. This is 3 seconds something like that. 33 seconds or 3 seconds. Okay. So 33 seconds. And this is 2016 10th month. Okay. And the date is 20. But how to understand? See this. जो हमको मालूम है उसी को वो दूसरे ओर से दिखा रहा है. You have to be able to identify. That is very important. Okay. Many times it happens. Answer is in front of you, but you are unable to recognize. Then what's the use? Okay. कभी-कभी देखते हैं ना, some photos रहते हैं 3D photo. If you see straight, it will not be visible. You have to see it some angle, right? ऐसा बोलते हैं ना. So that means you are looking at a different angle, different perspective बोलते हैं ना. So like that, something like that maybe. Okay. So this is 1 into 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 से हम सबको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इधर जो है ये अरे में जो है सबको 10 power 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 2016 बन गया. ये बन गया 10 like that. Okay. Okay, now let me go back to the program. So in this program, let me now say remove this imshow MMM JPEG. Let me go here. Let me close this. Okay. So let me just go and see what is happening here. Yeah, so in the checkbox, in the push button I have only one option called clock, so it was again showing time. Now I will go to the option called checkbox. I will go to the option called checkbox and I will tick on this. Show. So there is some problem. CLC, I will say show edari. Okay, I will use some other thing here. Clock imshow. I will put some other name here. We will just check. .jpg. I was typing JPEG, right? That is wrong there. That spelling mistake is there. That's a problem. Okay. So I should have only typed only JPG. Okay. Now it will come. Don't put JPEG. Okay. Yeah. So let me type like press. Okay. Now it is coming. You see. So that the problem is that spelling mistake. Okay, you should be careful. JPEG you should not type, only JPG. Okay, like that. Okay, so that came for 5 seconds and this will come for the remaining time. If you wanted to put in loop, you can also do that. Okay, for loop jaise likh sakte. Okay, so that is what is happening now. Similarly, let us go to that audio wala. Let us go to that audio thing and let me play that. Okay, so where that went away. So let me come here. Clock, wave play, udaharan, dot wave. Okay, that's it. Put that quotes. Okay, that's it. So let me run this now once more. Let me close this photo. Let me put it as MMM itself. Okay, yeah. Now let me run this. Okay, so now I have put this, no? So if I tick it now, you can see after 5 seconds it will be varying and all that it should happen. And now I will click on this dabao. So is the sound, is it on? You just see that whether sound is there from that. Held. Wave play, yeah. So let me just take that. 1 minute. Let me go to this. Yeah. What happened here? 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, run it. CLC. Okay, just I will resolve it once more. There is some problem with that playing. Okay, just I will come back to that little later. Okay, so let us get back. But I hope you understood the logic, how it is working. Like whatever option you want to have, that option you give here. Say for example, if I wanted to get a chessboard to be displayed there, you can do like this. For example, I will say A is equal to checkerboard 8, suppose. Okay, and then I will say imshow A. Okay, now I will go and close this. Okay, now let me run this program. So if I click on this dabao, I am getting a chessboard there, something like that. Okay, so what all options you want, you keep there. That's important. Okay, fine. So let me come back to other thing. Yeah, with commands it is possible. Okay, right. Now let me close this graphical user interface for some time now. Okay, save changes. Yes. Okay, yeah.